Alright, y'all, this morning. Well, this evening, about to do a little upgrade, little work. It's my old lady's car. Had some little front end damage done to it. So, about to put her some more speakers in here. Little 15 Buick Verano. Look at this old little setup. She tore it up. Yeah. This mug need to be detailed too. It's not dirty. Wow. I don't know why I'm talking mine dirty as hell too. Pull it out. Damn.
I don't know the bitch with me. Still when I get it done, you gon' get it. Soon as I pull up, she gon'
Ooh-wee. Alright, y'all. Hold on. Alright, pulled the box out. Debating on if I want to clean this damn thing up today. I don't feel like it. So, put all this spare tire stuff back up in here. Oh boy. Charger. Ooh-wee. All this shit. Crazy. Alright, well. Got a little problem. The terminals is broke off. Thinking of let's take the old ones off the old ones. See if I can do it that way. And I'm planning on doing this much work today. But I know if I don't get it done, she's gonna be bitching about it. So, all right. So I'm gonna shit. I ain't got one in here. So what I'm doing is taking the terminal out of here since it broke, and I got hooked up that they had it soldered on there, so it wasn't no need to. Yeah. Well, no need to trying to strip it off there. Take these out. Put them on that. Alright, so I got the terminal swapped out from that box to this box. Wasn't that bad. Hope it sounds good because I really don't want to change these damn things back. So, alright, I'm about to drill these in here real quick and hook it up and see what it sounds like. Alright, cut them in. And let's see what they sound like.
It ain't working.